I would recommend using Chrome or Firefox when you're doing this. I think you have a PC. What I like to do is, as I'm actually working on it, I usually like to open up the site next to it so so you could see the changes as you make them. If you have a PC, you hold down the Control key while you click on Visit Site up here in the upper left-hand corner, or Command if you have a Mac, and then it opens up. You can't see because I have my screen kind of showing a smaller area. It opens up another page. Basically, you could toggle back and forth so you can see the website as we're doing it. So the cool thing about what I have set up here for, I added a clone plugin, so it allows you to clone the last post that we did. So for example, if you go to health tips, it'll have all of our categories within our blog. We have a video category, pregnancy blog category, athletes, recipes, DIY, food allergies, and general health. So if you are going to, for example, do a, let's see, what would you be doing next? You wanted to talk about, we could actually set up another category. You wanted to talk about your new supplement, and I forgot what it's called. We could actually just put it in the general health category if you'd like, and then you could just start blogging there and it'll all auto-populate down there. So let's go back to the posts, and let's see. If you wanted to do the supplement video as a video, go ahead and just hit clone. And that way it's already set up the correct way. Let's open up this draft here. Click edit. So right here I actually put, you'll see here when I go to text. This might be too, not so. I'm assuming you know how to do a video on your phone. And then I'm assuming also that you know how to upload it to YouTube. So when you go to YouTube, let's see, I don't have your account open. So let's say, I'm going to see if I can remember your logins. Kim. Enter password. I thought I had it saved. That's poops. We'll go back to mine. And then I'll see if I can remember my password. That is, I probably can't. I have to go get my login. Here we go, hopefully. I have like 45 different. Okay, let's go back. I'll just show you how, so my videos, let's see, where are my videos? Anyway, so let's say that my video has shown up here. I don't know why all these stupid things are coming up. Oh, I always watch French videos. Let's pause it. So your video has shown up.
If you're
whatevs. Your video has shown up in your video section. Here is actually how you embed the video into your website. So we hit embed, and then you literally copy this code here. And then we go back to our video and click on text and then copy, paste. Oops, that's not right. But it would look like this with the iframe. And then you hit publish. And then that's really how you do the video. It's kind of advanced. I would click on videos, and then in your case, you're going to do general health as well. And that would ensure that it would come up on the general health page and within the general health section. And then we need to have a different image. See, this is kind of sort of a lot. The image is actually just I come from a screen capture, which, you know, I don't know if you know how to do a screen capture, but you screen capture that whatever the picture is on your video, and that's where I put that there. So this is the video posting, and I hope that wasn't too much. Also, let's go back, and I'm just going to delete this because hi. So I assume you would just want to, it'd probably be easier just to do not a video. But if you want to, I could certainly help you with that. Here's how you just do a regular post. I'm going to show you the clone version, then I'll show you just a standard way without cloning. I find the clone to be easier. You know, I'm just going to do an add new. It's not going to be easier for you. Let me just hit add new. This is what we're starting from scratch. And you are going to do, I can't remember what the supplement is called, but blah, blah, blah supplement, colon, day 1, or however you want to organize that. You just click right in this section here, and that's where you start typing. And you're like typing, blah, 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 typing, blah, 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 blah. You don't have to press return. It'll just auto wrap. So just blah, blah, blah. And if you need a picture, take a picture of your face and actually make that this featured image, or take a picture of the bottle, or you could go to, it's called pixabay.com, pixabay.com, and these are all free. You can use them royalty free, and anytime you want, you don't have to pay for them. So if you wanted to search in here and look for an image of supplement is a hard one. But let's say maybe you want to talk about DNA. You can lift one of these images by, clicking on it, do a free download. That is more than fine. That is a giant photo. In fact, I would just recommend doing the 640. Click download. I'm doing it right here for you, real time. And then make that image the featured image by, let me go back. So here's where we type. We go down here to set featured image. And we have our media library, which has all of our pictures for days, pictures for days. Or if we wanted to upload, you make sure you have upload clicked and select files. Go to downloads, and it's going to be probably the first image on top. And set that image as the featured image because you wanted to talk about DNA, let's say. Here's the part that's super important to pick. We planned on putting this in the general health category. You need to click that in this area over here, or it won't go to that place. So I'm going to show you what happens when we don't click it. And I'm going to publish this. Remember I told you you could backdate them as well? That is by going right here to publish, and then you just change the date. So if you wanted one to be in August, go to town, click August, then OK, and now publish. Since we clicked no categories there, this is what happens when, and I'm on our website real time, it's nowhere to be found. It's nowhere on this page. So you absolutely have to pick a category. So instead of uncategorized, let's pick general health, and then let's update it. Go back to our health tips page and refresh. Supplement day 1. There it is. And when you go to the page, let's see, let's go back to the general health area. read more. Let's go to all the posts on general health. And you can see where your DNA image came up. You noticed it didn't come up within the text. So if we wanted to have the DNA in that text or any images in that text, you'd click where you want to put the image, and then you click this Add Media. And you click the image you want, fix the size that you want. Maybe you want it big or small or even tinier. I'm going to go ahead and say medium. Insert into post. Oh, it looks weird here because we're on text. This is the code area. Make sure you click on visual when you see that. It kind of makes a big difference. So this actually just puts the text below the image. If we want the text to wrap around the image, which is usually what we do, you hit align left. Perfect. And then let's say you wanted to link some of this out to a website. Let's say this is DNA information. Let's say that's what it says. You highlight that, insert edit link, and add the .com there. Make sure, very important, you click open link in new window. We don't ever want them leaving our website. Add link. What this does, and make sure you update or nothing will happen. If you don't, what is that doing that? That's weird. Oh, it's because I didn't put in any, it's really weird. Sometimes it flips out. It's fake text, so it like freaks out. It's kind of weird. Very bizarre. Yeah, I'm sure that's what it is. Yeah, see? So let's go to this post and make sure it's all correct now. Yeah, see, there's your link, and it'll actually open up a new window when we click on it. They could also share this. I was going to add a follow feature, but I'm just showing you now how to blog. And there you have it. That's it. That's simple, 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 simple. And that's all you need to know to blog.